This is a quick look at a set of air deflectors for the Vanderhall Venice, available on eBay for a little over $71. A look at the air deflectors from the front.
There's no additional purchase necessary. So yes, a great window on the way. This one, whenever I hear it, is so clear.
What you get for $71 are a pair of air deflectors, left and right, and 4 sets of the hardware pictured. You do have to cut the bolt down to 40 millimeters to keep it from protruding through the windscreen. The bolt size, by the way, is an M8 by 1.25 pitch. A close-up of the air deflectors installed on the Venice from the front of the vehicle.
Led Zeppelin for Stairway to Heaven, and the band Spirit for their earlier song.
We're going to take a look at a little closer look at
going back into the
the air
course
deflectors from the rear of the vehicle.
The complaint on the part of the late Randy California of Spirit being that, he felt, in large part, Led Zeppelin lifted
And the big question, will the air deflectors fit under the storm cover? The answer to that question is a yes and a no. You can see that it does fit. However, I did manage to crack the windscreen when putting the cover on subsequent to the initial install. My recommendation would be to get a looser fitting storm cover made up.